Well, it finally happened. I thought I made a video, and I hadn't. I guess old timers is setting in. Here's a quick tip on how you can make your own dowel pegs. First, you need to make a little jig like this. All it is a scrap steel with appropriate size holes drilled in it, in this case 3/8 of an inch. And then I put a block underneath it just to help support it, and drilled a oversized hole on the bottom of that to help guide the dowel from going too crooked. If this jig happens to get dull, you can just smooth the surface with a diamond stone, and that should help sharpen it. To make the dowel, I split off squares, 3/8 inch squares in this case. The reason I split these instead of cutting them is because that way the split will follow the grain and help keep things straight. If I cut them and it crossed across some ununiform grain, the dowel is going to wiggle through the hole a bit. And then I plane those into octagons. If you do this, hold the plane still, make sure your fingers don't stick past the edge of it, and move the stock. Remember, safety is your own responsibility. If you think you're going to get cut that way, don't do it. If you're forcing it, your blade's dull. Don't do it. Alright, and now for the fun part. You may want to probably want to sharpen the end just a hair. Make sure you do it evenly. Put the stock over the hole and pound it through. Put your ear hole pluggers in. I even made myself a little punch to help get those out. There you are, your own little dowel peg. Works with hardwoods too.